Lemonade Icebox Pie, another cold dessert for these hot summer days. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today, another classic, lemonade icebox pie. This one we're even gonna freeze. But you start with a pre-baked pie crust. I did this one yesterday. I even kind of made it extra brown. You need to guard against a soggy bottom. Give your glaze a few minutes to dry. If you don't know how to make an apricot glaze or Apricot Glaze, then you need to go watch my quick tips video on how to make an apricot glaze so that you can waterproof your pie shell. Nobody wants a soggy bottom in a pie. Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. There you go. That's going to be so good. You won't believe it. Okay, for your recipe, besides the pie crust, you'll need an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip or non-dairy topping. You'll need a 16-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. In Texas, we call that Eagle brand. You'll need a 6-ounce frozen concentrate of lemonade. This happens to be a 12-ounce, so I need about half. Although, if I wanted to give it a little extra zip, I can put more, which I did. Put your sweet milk in there. Now, you could do this in a bowl and mix it by hand, but why would you if you could mix it with the stand mixer? Start off slow, because you don't want very easy. Okay, so, and I'm a huge advocate of the freezer, as I've mentioned in some of my meal videos. You can absolutely freeze Cool Whip or non-dairy whip topping. Take it out the night before, set it in the refrigerator, boom, you're done. Alright. Give that a quick little stir. Oh, there. Done. Unplug it, because as Julia would say, fingers are not part of this recipe. Toss that in the sink with a loud thunk. And this is that folding technique again. You drop to the bottom, turn over, turn your bowl, drop, turn. You just want to make sure everything is fully incorporated. But you don't want to grab a big wooden spoon and go, because I've heard that can make it more runny or something. I don't know. So, let's see. Yeah, that's just dry enough. You just pour that right in. You can see that lemonade in there, and spread it over, kind of spread it around to however you want it, and then taste it, of course. Oh my gosh. That's almost like a key lime pie. Add a little lime and slap your mama. Another southern saying. The twist on this one is that it was a frozen lemonade icebox pie, so toss this in your freezer. I mean, if you get up in the morning, make this before you go to work, toss it in your freezer, come home, you're ready. People go, oh my gosh, that is so wonderful because it's so hot. Here's what you do. You want to cover things when they're in the freezer, but it's going to be sticky tacky. So if you have the time and you're making it before work, put it in the freezer for 10 or 15 minutes, let it kind of set. Then you get your press and seal wrap and just lay it kind of on top. And then as it's frozen, hopefully it'll just peel right off when you take it out. That's it, you're done. By the way, yes, I know that icebox pies and super quick things are usually made in one of those graham cracker crust. I consider that an instant thing. I just don't do instant if I can help it. Pudding is one thing, crust are another. That's why I fully baked the pie shell. I even gave it a little extra burn on it, and I waterproofed it with the Apricot Glaze from Julia Child. And we're going to prove that this shell can be crunchy. There was an old wife that said,
oh, you just have to make that in a graham cracker crust or it won't taste right.
Yeah, well, watch me. If you love this quick recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends who like to cook. Click the bell in the top right-hand corner for notifications. Be sure and drop me a line in the comments below if you've had this, if you grew up on this as a child, if it's your first time and you're like, oh my gosh, it slapped your mama good. I always have to do something crazy when I'm making a video, so that was it. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me.